Hello, sweet. Hello, sweet. Just wait for a minute because I have
Mm,
trouble here. Okay, just wait for me because I'm finding our lesson. Let's be. We just done the vocabulary, right?
yeah.
Okay, so at this moment, we're going to learn the grammar. Can you see the screen?
Right?
Can you see?
Yes.
Okay, by the way, sweet, good evening, and how are you tonight?
I'm fine.
Wow, that you're fine. What did you do yesterday? Since we didn't have a class.
Um, I go out with my family.
Wow, you go out with your friend. Okay, now are you ready to start our lesson? Okay, now. So as you can see here in our slide, so we're going to talk about the relationship, but we're going to focus on grammar, the negative structures, articles, and quantifiers. So we're going to learn about this one, quantifiers. Okay, now let's proceed here. So let's learn first the negative adverbial. So what is negative adverbial? Adverbial. So the negative adverbs. Okay, so when we say negative adverbial, wait, I'm going to find you a meaning about this. Negative
Mm,
adverbial. Okay, listen, I'm going to translate this one for you. Okay, so I'm going to show to you what is the meaning of adverb, negative
Các trạng
adverbial.
ngữ phủ định, ví dụ never, rarely, seldom, hardly, nowhere, under no circumstances là những từ hoặc cụm từ mang nghĩa phủ định được sử dụng để nhấn mạnh. Khi đặt ở đầu câu, chúng tạo ra sự đảo ngữ chủ ngữ trợ động từ, trong đó trợ động từ đứng trước chủ ngữ. Ví dụ, never have I seen, thường tạo thêm giọng điệu trang trọng, kịch tính.
Okay, now do you understand the negative adverbial? So when we say negative adverbial, sweet, that is example there is never, rarely, seldom, hardly, nowhere, under no circumstances, are words or phrases with negative meaning used for emphasize. So now, what is the use of negative adverbial? First use, we can use these negative adverbials to make empathetic negative statements. So these are the statement: never, nowhere, rarely, hardly, in no way, at no time, on no account, only, not until, under no circumstances, no only, and also no sooner than. Okay, so this is the example, or this is the use of our negative adverbial. And then, if we use them at the beginning of the sentence, the subject, verb, word order changes. They are usually followed by auxiliary verb. So this is how we are going to use this negative adverb. So we are going to use it first. Rarely do friends get along all the time. Not since last year have there been such a bad storm. Not seen. So that is a negative adverbial. So the negative meaning not positive. Okay, now, Sweet, we have any question about our negative adverbial?
No.
No? Okay. Okay, now let's proceed here. So now we are
Oh,
going to. Oh, what? You want to write?
yeah.
Okay, go. Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's proceed here. So in our test one, Sweet, you're going to read a text with the negative adverbials. Can you find? Now, before we find this one, we are going to read first. So how to talk to teens, a parent guide. So you're going to read the block first, and then I am the block, and then you are the yellow. Okay, let's go. Wouldn't it be great if parents and their teenagers got on the all time? What was your best advice for your parents below?
Be calm and reasonable and treat me like an adult under no circumstances. So do speak to me as if I'm still a small child. Haiti Newscastle.
Not only should you avoid speaking down to me, you should also notice when I do things that are good.
Surely, part of being a teenager is being allowed to make mistakes. So it's not your good idea to tell me off every time I get something wrong. Emily Leicester.
If you're worried about me, just talk to me calmly. On no account should you get angry. I'm not likely to want to confide in you if you're shouting.
Rarely do things and their parents agree all the time, but you can still get on well even if you don't always see eye to say to eye. The best advice to parents, try not to err. You may regret not being patient.
Okay, this is patient.
Patient.
Okay. Now, sweet, you're going to find which negative adverbials can you find. Okay, I will give you 5 minutes to find the negative adverbials here.
Mm.
Hmm. On all the time, under no circumstances, not only, also, on no account, rarely. Okay, rarely. Very good, sweet. So you've got all the correct answer here. So you know already what are the negative adverbial. Congratulations, sweet. Okay, now let's proceed to the next part of our lesson, which is the task 2 or any other form of here. So in our task 2, sweet, you're going to complete the second sentence in each pair so that it's mean the same as the first. So at this part, sweet, you're going to write or you're going to complete the second sentence, but the meaning is the same of the first sentences. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Go, sweet. Just focus on what you're doing. Okay? Ganina pagkuhan nga ako, Okay, let me check. I've never eaten such a delicious meal before. Never have I eaten such a delicious meal. Good. Have I eaten? Very good. We were asked for our opinion at any time. No time be we us. We were. Where we. You apologize to be speak. Very good. Be you see more. You will see more. No circumstances. Did they left the house? Had been here's the news. Okay, so okay now. So you've got here no circumstances. Okay. So you got here one, two, three, four, five. I know. Had been hear the news. Okay, very good. So you got here 6/7 sweet. So you got only one mistake. Only this one. No time we were. Okay, now I want you to read this one, sweet. So I am going to read the red color and then you're going to read the black one. Okay, let's go. Okay,
Uh,
let's read. Ever
I
eaten
have
such? Oh, you are the black one.
never before have I eaten such a delicious meal.
Okay, we weren't asked for our opinion at any time.
At no time where we asked for our opinions.
She won't speak to you until you apologize.
Not until you apologize will she speak to you.
You won't see more beautiful scenery anywhere.
Nowhere will you see more beautiful scenery.
Tickets cannot be refunded under any circumstances.
Under no circumstances can ticket be refunded.
They, they'd hardly left the house when it's begun snowing.
Hardly had they left the house when it began snowing.
Ben had no sooner heard the news than he told everyone.
No sooner had he heard the news than he told everyone.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. So we are done here, sweet. So now let's proceed here to our task 3. In our task 3, sweet, you're going to write the sentence with the correct form, the words in the bracket. Okay, write the sentence with the correct form in the bracket. So I am going to give you example. No sooner we eat dinner than he get off and left. The correct answer, no sooner had we eaten dinner than he got off and left. Okay, now I'll give you 5 minutes to answer this task suite. Okay, let's go. Please answer.
Again.
Okay. I only once was I break a promise. Have a broken. Have a broken promise. At no time had anyone explained. Did anyone explain? Never before was she met. Very good. Or has she met? Mm, Rarely were anyone to be true. Has anyone been? You forgot been. It's been because it's already be. So it's been. In no way will be trust you. Will he trust you? Okay, so you get some mistaken here, sweet, because I think you are what they call what you are confused about the words in the bracket and how to write in the first sentence, right? The verbs.
Yeah.
Okay, so don't show worry, sweet. So this is just only a practice. So sweet, I am going to take a screenshot of these, and then you are going to study why these are the answer. This one. No, you already write the grammar, right? Okay, so now, sweet. So I think it's already time, and then we cannot continue because I have a next class because it's already time. As you can see, it's already 7:46. So we are going to meet next time. So we are going to continue this one negative question, infinitives, and ing form. Okay, so don't forget, you're going to scan your notebook what we learned about the negative adverbials. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, do you have any questions, Sweet?
Nah.
Okay, so Sweet, so it's time to say goodbye and see you next time because I have a next class too. Goodbye, Sweet.
That's my teacher.
Okay, goodbye.